Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Command Prompt as administrator so commands can change disks. This gives you full access. Once done, run diskpart then list disk to show all drives. Make sure to identify the USB by size and label, then use select disk X to target that device. You must double-check the disk number to avoid wiping the wrong drive. After selecting, run detail disk to confirm. If the target matches your USB, proceed. If not, stop and re-identify the correct disk now. Now you perform the core fixes. Type clean in diskpart to remove partitions and file system metadata. This resolves corruption. Next, create partition primary, then select partition 1 and mark it active so BIOS/UEFI can recognize it. After that, format fs equals ntfs quick for large files or format fs equals FAT32 quick for compatibility. Format can take longer without quick. Finish by assign letter equals E to mount the drive. These steps rebuild the partition table and file system. If formatting fails, attempt a different file system immediately. For final remediation, run chkdske/f to repair file system errors and recover readable data. This explains why files become inaccessible. If the USB should be bootable, run bootrec/fixmber then bootrec/fixboot to restore boot sectors. Use these only on intended boot drives. Once commands complete, copy back data, confirm files open, and use diskpart then remove to safely eject. Troubleshooting tip. If chkdske reports unrepairable errors, try a sector-level tool or a different USB port and rerun clean and format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.